But should we proceed?
Yes.
Just a second.
Ranjana, please.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Planning for success will make you even more creative, according to Daniel Rapport. A very warm and pleasant good morning to one and all present here. I, Professor Ranjana Rajak, Assistant Professor, Wishes School of Management, welcomes you all on our second day of Student Development Program 2020. For today's session, we have with us our special guest come speaker, Dr. K.S. Kadu, ex-Senate member, RTM University, Nagpur, Professor, Greenhaven Institute of Management and Research, Nagpur. Respected Director, Managing Director, Dr. Naveen Narang, Director, Dr. S.M. Anas Iqbal, faculty members, and dear young students, I welcome you all. Today's session is based on the topic, planning a first step of your success. For this, we have Dr. K.S. Kadu with us. A small introduction of our guest speaker. Dr. K.S. Kadu is currently Professor, Greenhaven Institute of Management and Research, Nagpur. He served as Dean Academics at Central Institute of Business Management, Research and Development, Nagpur. He has devoted more than 25 years in the field of higher education. He earned degree as MBA Economics, PhD in Management from RTM University, Nagpur. He began his professional career in 1990s as a contributory faculty and served as director of CB, MRD, and he is a Senate member of RTM University, Nagpur. His project on marketing on internet at Auxiliary Jamshedpur got funded. He worked as a member on state level committee for the improvement teaching, appointed by the honorary and coursework that foster learning and meet the needs of a diverse group. For enriching education sector, he visited Management and Technological Institute at Beijing, Shanghai in China, and Bangkok in China, one of the Central India's oldest and largest selling newspapers. He is a life member of Maharashtra State Commerce Teachers Association and National Development. He was empaneled of Maharashtra Center on his devotion and determination. He has been awarded by Peter Drucker Management Organization National Award by Mahatma Phule Talent Research Academy, Nagpur. Moving ahead with our program, I would like to request Professor Kunal Jindodkar for welcome address.
Am I audible, Ranjana ma'am?
Yes, sir.
Thank you, Ranjana ma'am. Thank you, Ranjana ma'am. A very warm good morning to one and all. I, Professor Kunal Jindodkar, welcome you all on our second Student Development Program 2020. First of all, I heartily welcome our today's speaker, Dr. K.S. Kadu, Professor at Greenhaven Institute of Management and Research, Nagpur. I also welcome our Managing Director, Dr. Naveen Narang sir, and Director Dr. S.M. Anas Iqbal sir, Wishes School of Management for today's session. I welcome all the staff members of Wishes School of Management. I also welcome our newly admitted student of Wishes School of Management on their second Student Development Program. I sincerely hope after the session, your knowledge will be upgraded. Thank you. Over to you, Ranjana ma'am.
Thank you, Kunal sir. Now it's a time for session by our special guest come speaker. After this session, we will have an open Q&A round. Students may ask their question by writing in the chat box. So I request Dr. K.S. Kadu sir to kindly enrich the session with your motivational words. Please, sir.
Okay. Good morning, everyone. Good morning. Am I audible?
Sir. Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
I am audible. Okay.
Yes,
okay. So it is now 9:44, isn't it? So 9 up to 10:20. I shall continue up to 10:20 and 10 minutes will be given for question answer session. Is it okay? Is it okay? Okay. So
Okay,
prepare
sir.
your
Okay.
questions. So this is the second day of your SDP. How was the first day yesterday? Was it fine? Was yesterday SDP fine?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir. It was. Yes, sir. It
Okay,
was
okay,
fine.
nice, nice. Okay, okay. So I start it now. Once again, good morning to all of you. Today's topic is managerial planning as a first step of success, isn't it? The first and the foremost question we often ask to ourselves: why? What is the need of this particular subject? Why this particular subject has been selected by your honorable director Anas Iqbal sir? We had a discussion a couple of days before, and the topic was deliberately selected because the topic is of vital importance, isn't it? You see, there are three basic elements of any type of management, isn't it? Any sort of management, there are three basic elements. First one is the planning, second one is the implementation, and third one is the control. And these particular three elements, they revolve in a cyclic order: planning, implementation, control. Again, next, planning, implementation, control, this cycle revolves. So these are the three basic elements of management. Planning is one of the first and important elements of any sort of management. You people must have heard the word town planning. You are familiar with the word town planning. We have the town planning, the municipal council, Nagar Parishads, isn't it? Then Mahanagar Palikas, corporations, they have the department of town planning. You must have heard the word family planning. Now, I have heard the word family planning. I am so much senior, not you. And then 5 years plan. Our planning commission, now the name has been changed to Niti Ayog. So we often come across this word plan and planning, plan and planning. Even the smart students like you, they generally plan their daily activities, isn't it? You have your schedule. So you plan your daily activities. This is because the planning is more important. Why there is a need of planning? Rather, why there is a need of subject Dr. Anas sir has selected for today's discussion, isn't it? Let me tell you one interesting example. You people must not have done a planning to the extent required because you must not have gone through such type of experiences. But so as to arouse your interest, I tell you one interesting example. One of our good friend, our guide, he has got a ticket for MLA during last election, and ticket was declared in the midnight, and the next day up to 3 p.m. he had to fill the form for contesting the election. So there were few hours at hand. At 2:30 in the morning, in the midnight, we assembled together. Now what to do? Because we need a gathering of the people. Again, all the formalities, then procession, then formalities. So how to do it? Unless and until there is a need, we do not plan. Even though I give you one assignment to do a planning and show it to me, you will put some lines on the piece of paper and show it to me, but it would not be more correct. So a deliberation is there, a need is required. So that day we had formed a group of the people, assigned then some assignments, the gathering of the people, filling of the forms, isn't it? Then announcing and all that, then getting permission from police station, all that, and we could manage it. And our guide, our good friend, isn't it? He got through, he became the MLA. Very few time span, just hours remained. And that was a very hectic time. But you see, you will find many steps of your life that you have to plan very hurriedly because otherwise time will be running out. So you have to do it with your cool mind. Any complex decisions in life should be taken in cool mind, and a planning should be there. Without planning, you cannot go ahead. In all walks of life, maybe your business life, maybe your personal life, maybe your professional life, there is a need of planning always. So this is the one example I have given you, that within few hours we could manage to do a planning, and we could get a success in that. Then one question is there to me, to you friends. Have you decided to become entrepreneur in your life? क्या आपने एंटरप्रेन्योर बनने का सोचा है? अपना कुछ खुद करने का सोचा है? See, there are two categories of people, according to me, two categories. One is the category of servant, another is the category of owners. And I hope, I expect that you should fall in the category of the owners. If you are a servant, there is no need of planning for you. That is a routine task you are doing, barring few honorable exceptions. But remember, you have to start entrepreneurship. Your business may be small, your business may be big, but you have to plan. Unless and until you plan, you cannot succeed. And one more thing you would like to tell, why to listen, why to go for this 1 hour session. Now planner has become a coveted profession. Planner has become a coveted profession, like practicing advocates, doctors, chartered accountants, architects, like that. So planner has become one of the important profession, and you can try for that also. For example, I would like to say event planning as a career. You can take event planning as a career, and you see, there should be a need. Why we go for doing a particular thing? We go for doing a particular thing when there is a need or a necessity of it. And there is one interesting quotation, that need or necessity is the mother of invention. So there are many posts of professional planners here and there. You can be event planner, event professional. You can be a wedding planners. The wedding ceremonies you must have seen on the different serials on television, wedding planners. Then event space or venue managers. You can be a venue managers. You can be a donor or sponsorship coordinator. Many big organizations, they take the services of sponsorship coordinators. So this avenue is also open for you. Then catering services manager, even social media coordinator, staff or volunteer coordinator, marketing or communications manager. If you are a good planner, the ample of choices are there for you to go for this type of profession. You can be a good technocrat, you can be a good public servant, referees, advocates, bureaucrats, state agents, social learners, and at last, but not the least, you can be a good social reformer. If you are a good planner, you can be a good social reformer, and there is a need of it. We need some social reformers, isn't it? Because see, change is the law of the nature. Reformation should always be there. And I hope that some of you will be the social reformer after going through this particular session. So this is one important part of it. Friends, you are very well aware about the functions of management. Functions of management are planning, organizing, coordinating, directing, staffing, motivating, and controlling. So functions of management starts from planning. So it is the very first step, isn't it? Dr. Anas sir has very important cover this particular topic, that planning is a first step of success. Yes, of course, it is a first step of success. So if I have to define planning, as a layman even, planning is one of the important functions of management. See, we generally do not pay more attention to planning, isn't it? Unless and until the need arises. I have given you the example of contesting the election and filling of the form and completing the formalities. As per the rules, within few hours, there was a need. So I have also said that the need is the mother of invention, or necessity is the mother of invention. And when you start up thinking for entrepreneurship, you will have to chalk down on a piece of paper about the planning, isn't it? It may be big, it may be small, but planning is required everywhere. In front of the planning, nothing is big, nothing is small. You have to sit and do it, basically. Now you see, let me tell you one important thing about it, and rather the definition of management planning. Management planning is the process of assessing organization's goals and creating a realistic, detailed plan of action for meeting those goals. Why we plan? Because there is a goal in front of us. कुछ अपना उद्देश्य है, कुछ goal है, and we are always achieving that particular goal, isn't it? So as far as strategic management is concerned, there is vision, then there is mission, then there is goals, then there is objectives and strategies and like that. So unless and until you have the goal, you are not compelled to plan, isn't it? Don't plan without the need. Get yourself into compelling part to go for planning. Second part, planning is a process of making plan of action. Planning is a process of making a plan. So this plan is a plan of action. Mere term plan, सिर्फ मैं आपको plan शब्द बोलता हूं, it has no meaning. It is a plan of action. It is a plan of future course of action that you have undertaken. And it is a step-by-step process. Planning is a step-by-step process. Planning is a process of thinking about the activities required to achieve a desired goal. When I was a student like you, it was in the year 1988, one of my teachers told me that planning is a mental process. And of course, it is a mental process, isn't it? You must have the experience, isn't it? Unless and until you have the experience, you cannot plan. Even though you go for several books, refer several articles and like that, but experience is also required for that. For that, you should be in the company of the good planners. They will teach you, they will tell you much and more practical aspects. So again, I repeat, planning is a process of thinking about the activities required to achieve the desired goal. Here, what is important is activities required. What activities are required? You have to chalk it down. You have to frame it. You have to write it. You have to write it in a sequence. Here, sequence is more important, isn't it? Now, this is about the planning, which is a process. What is a plan? What is a plan? Plan is a detailed proposal for doing or achieving something, or an intention or decision about what one is going to do. A decision, your intention about what you are going to do. Many people ask me one question, isn't it? Actually, I got retired from my parent institution and joined one of the reputed institution of Nagpur, that is Green Haven Institute of Management Studies. So many of my friends ask me, Dr. Kadu, now you are going to retire very soon. What are your retirement plans? So that word is their plans. I often said them, I have no plans to retire. Isn't it? And myself or Dr. Anas, we do not have any plans to retire because you see, we people are workaholic. Isn't it? We are in contact with each other. We people are just trying to learn many things, isn't it? And learning is a never-ending process. So I often said them, no, I do not have any plans to retire. So plan word is very, very, very important here. A plan is typically any diagram. An architect, isn't it? An architect, you have to get the house constructed. He designs it. A design of your house you are going to construct, isn't it? So it may be a diagram or a list of steps with details of timing. Here timing word is very important. I will repeat it 2 times. details of timing and resources used to achieve an objective to do something. Very interesting. These are only 2-3 lines, but there is a deep crux in that. Again, a plan, typically any diagram or list of steps, details of timing and sources used to achieve an objective to do something. Whenever we are thinking of planning, isn't it, or chalking down a plan, time factor is always attached with it. In management parlance, we call it as scheduling. Schedule. You must have traveled by ST buses, state transport buses. So conductor often used to say, I do not have my schedule. No, I have my schedule, isn't it? So schedule means the timing. So timing must be attached to that planning, that is steps of action you are taking, and what resources do you have. So time frame is very important. A knowledge about the resources you have, that is important, and the ultimate aim is to achieve the objectives. So plan to achieve the objectives with a time frame and considering the resources we have, because it is ultimately you have to utilize the resources you have. And what is planning? I often say to my students, it is a set of intended actions. The actions you take intentionally, it is a set of intended actions. It is a future course of action. It is a future course of action. So you are at one side, your goal is at another side, and whatever is there in between is a series of steps you have taken down on a piece of paper, and it is a plan. It must be carefully done. It must be well thought of. It must be based on your prior experience. It must be based on the experiences you have collected from the management or business people or business planners or the event planners, isn't it? You all are the students, because this is a student development program for you. And at the initial stages of the start of your course, you get the timetable. It is displayed on the notice board at your institution's wall. Timetable is a plan. First lecture, second lecture, then recess, isn't it? Big recess, short recess, last lecture, isn't it? So timetable is a plan. The budget, our union budget of the state, even you have the budget of your institution, isn't it? The honorable management, in consideration with the honorable director, they chalk down the budget of the institution, annual budget. That budget is also a plan. So this term plan or planning has got a very vast scope. And therefore, any management thinkers, while taking down the definition of management, they have placed planning at the very first stage, at the very first step, because all the things, managerial activities, start with the base of planning. Friends, planning is always attached with the scheduling, that is time frame. Because when you decide the course of action, for example, morning, you get up from the bed, isn't it? You have your tea, isn't it? Then morning walk and like that. So you refer it to a time frame. How much time is to be given to morning walk? Half an hour? 1 hour? Less than half hour? It is already there, isn't it? But you see, no project is successful without a good plan. You can be a project manager. Even you don't go for entrepreneurship, you can write the projects for others. Many people are there, isn't it? They are the professional. If I have to undertake any government project, isn't it? I will go to that consultant and he will make a project for me. Even if you have to get a loan sanctioned from the bank, you have to submit the project report. So in that project report, for that particular planning, that time period is always attached. So planning and scheduling, they are the two sides of a same coin. What planning is exactly? Is essentially a process of deciding in advance. But see, the things are very simple. For me to spell out, for me to tell, for you people to listen, the things which are very simple in life are difficult to perform. This is my experience of 60 years. The simple things are generally difficult to perform. And when the things are prima facie look simple, we don't pay more attention to it. We don't pay attention to it. So planning is essentially a process of deciding in advance. But again, the question, how to decide in advance? For that, forecasting is required. Forecasting. एक भविष्य में हमको झांकना है. हमें कल परसों उसके आगे हमें झांक के देखना है. झांक के देखना है. आंखें बंद करके आप अच्छे से झांक के दे सकते. One interesting definition of forecasting is there. Forecasting means to peep into the future. To peep. Peep यानी छुपके से देखना. आंखें बंद करके देखना. छोटे से छेद से देखना. दूर तक देखना. कितना दूर तक आप देख सकते हो, कितना दूर की आप सोच सकते हो. हम बोलते हैं ना, ये बंदा अच्छा है यार, उसकी आगे की सोच है, यानी वो अच्छे से फोरकास्टिंग कर सकता है. नाउ प्लानिंग इज एसेंशियली ए प्रोसेस ऑफ डिसाइडिंग इन एडवांस what is to be done, when and where it is to be done, and how it is to be done, and by whom it is to be done. Kipling is one, he is the poet as well as the thinker. He has given one poem, and the first stanza of the poem is, I keep 6 honest serving men. It's a very nice, he has given it. I keep 6 honest serving men. They taught me all I knew. It is one of the stanza of the Kipling's poem. I again repeat. I keep 6 honest serving men. They taught me all I knew. Their names are what and why, and when and how, and where and who. I have related this first stanza with the introduction of planning. Even at the very first of my lecture, when I entered in the class and the session starts, and new entrants are there, I write on the blackboard, why, what, where, by whom, who, and how. And I just look at them. I give them 5 minutes. Let us think on this. Whatever I have written on the board, isn't it? They interact with the students. They just look at me. Arey, what sort of professor is this? Seems to be experienced guy. And written 6 WH questions there, words there, and just standing idle. This is the process I want. I tell them later, process. I would like to ignite this spark from within yourself. मुझे आपके अंदर का स्पार्क बाहर निकालना है. अदरवाइज तो गाइड अवेलेबल है, किताबें अवेलेबल है, गूगल सर आपके लिए है, सब भी आपके लिए है. आपके अंदर से निकालो, जो गूगल नहीं निकाल सकता, जो कोई किताब नहीं निकाल सकता, जो F.W. टेलर नहीं निकाल सकता, मैरी फॉरेट नहीं निकाल सकती, हेनरी फ्योल नहीं निकाल सकते, और कोटलर साहब तो बिल्कुल नहीं निकाल सकते. दैट यू हैव टू टेक इट आउट फ्रॉम योर सेल्फ. एंड देयरफॉर आई हैव रिटन दिस WH. I interact with them. Why you? Where you? By whom? How? For what? Just ask this question to yourself. If you ask this question to yourself, and if you could write the answer successfully, you can be the entrepreneur. Books are a side support. Google is also a side support. It is something like Pareto principle, 80-20 principle. 20% is side support, 80% is you yourself. 80% is your potential. 80% is your personality. 80% is your mind. 80% is your talent. 80% is your efficiency. 20% is the side support. Then we analyze these things. Why, when, what, and where. So I have deliberately read out this particular stanza of Kipling's poem. There you can go on Google and find out the Kipling's poem. isn't it? You just put down these words. I keep 6 honest serving men. 6 honest serving men. मैंने इनको एम्प्लॉयमेंट दी हुई है, ये मेरे नौकर है. ये जो 6 है ना, व्हाट एंड व्हाई, व्हेन एंड हाउ, वेयर एंड हु, ये तो नौकर है. मैं उनको पगार देता हूं भाई, महीने में मैं उनको सैलरी देता हूं और उनसे मैं काम करवा लेता हूं. कितना बढ़िया कंसेप्ट है, isn't it? So this is something like that. So planning is essentially a process of deciding in advance what is to be done, when and where it is to be done, and how it is to be done, and by whom. You see, why we go for planning? I am just giving you the preliminary information. I would like you to be a full of potential. एक स्पार्क आपके अंदर का आना चाहिए, आप में ऊर्जा आना चाहिए. मैं जो बोल रहा हूं ना, ये आपके अंदर की ऊर्जा आपको बाहर निकालना है. एक अपने आप को एक मैन विथ पोटेंशियल एंड पावरफुल बनाना है. ये कुछ सोचने को शुरुआत हमको करनी है. प्लानिंग इज द की ऑफ एफिशिएंसी. इवन टुमारो यू डू वन थिंग, you go for tomorrow's planning. Just chalk down a piece of paper and pencil, isn't it? Just after getting up of bed, you get up bed and then get yourself after your morning walk and all that, isn't it? You just plan your tomorrow's activities, daily activities. We call it as a daily routine, isn't it? And try to perform it. And try to implement it, isn't it? You will find several difficulties in that. Because once you go for the planning, you will find some flexibility in that. In the meantime, if your friends come and he sits with you for 1 hour, it all will collapse, isn't it? So I will come to this point, that planning premises or planning background. I will come to that latter part. But remember, there is one interesting quotation of planning, that planning today reduces chaos tomorrow. अगर आप अच्छे से आज प्लानिंग करते हैं तो आप कल का कंफ्यूजन कम कर रहे हो. प्लानिंग टुडे रिड्यूसेस केओस. केओस मींस कंफ्यूजन टुमारो. कल का कंफ्यूजन कम अगर करना है तो आज से आप प्लानिंग शुरू करो. द अर्ली यू प्लान, द अर्ली यू विल रीच. जितना जल्दी आप चलना शुरू करोगे उतना जल्दी आप पहुंचने वाले हो. इट इज समथिंग लाइक ए कॉमन सेंस. ये मुझे बताने की जरूरत नहीं, लेकिन क्या करूं, मैं भी आदत से मजबूर हूं. छोटी छोटी चीजें मैं ज्यादा पैमाने पे आजकल बताने लगा हूं मेरे एक्सपीरियंस के कारण, क्योंकि छोटी चीजें ही लाइफ में बहुत इंपॉर्टेंट रहती है, isn't it? A goal without a plan is just a wish. There is a difference between wish and a plan. हम बोलते हैं ना, आई विश सो. अरे हम इच्छा कर रहे हैं. यू डोंट मेक ए विश, यू प्लान and let us have an action on that. So plan is a course of action, and planning is a process of preparing a plan. Basic plan is a paper work. आप प्लानिंग कर रहे हैं मतलब पेपर वर्क कर रहे हैं, कागज और पेंसिल, isn't it? बट आप वो पेपर वर्क में आपका दिमाग डाल रहे हैं, आपका एक्सपीरियंस डाल रहे हैं, आपका टैलेंट डाल रहे हैं. जो भी आपने एलिमेंट सीखे हैं, प्रिंसिपल सीखे हैं, लिमिटेशन सीखे हैं प्लानिंग के, वो उसमें डाल रहे हैं. तो पेपर वर्क इज इजी, बट राइटिंग डाउन द स्टेप्स are difficult, and therefore you go practically for performing a plan. मैं 100 days and 100 night अगर आपको ऐसे पढ़ाऊंगा और बताते रहूंगा तो नहीं होगा जब तक कि आप खुद प्लानिंग करना नहीं शुरू करते. बिकॉज प्रैक्टिस मेक्स अ मैन परफेक्ट. ओके, नाउ लेट अस कम टू अनदर पार्ट, दैट इज इसेंशियल कंडीशन फॉर प्लानिंग. अब प्लानिंग तो आपको करना है, आपके पास क्या चाहिए? प्लानिंग करने का फाउंडेशन क्या है? प्री रिक्विजिट क्या है? प्री रिक्विजिट मीन्स इसेंशियल कंडीशन और द फाउंडेशन. और इसेंशियल्स क्या है? अनलेस एंड अनटिल यू हैव सम इसेंशियल कंडीशंस यू कैन नॉट गो फॉर प्लानिंग. फर्स्ट इज प्लानिंग अथॉरिटी. You are in the organization or you have your own organization. Who is the planning authority? To whom you will assign this task? हमारे घर में जो भी अर्निंग वाला मेंबर होता है वो प्लानिंग करता है. फादर या ग्रैंडफादर, whosoever is the elder and earning member. सिर्फ एल्डर नहीं करता, isn't it? जो भी पुराना है वो नहीं करता, जो अर्निंग मेंबर है वो करता है. नाउअडेज ऐसा हो गया, जो अर्निंग करता है वो प्लानिंग करता है. हाउस होल्ड का जो प्लानिंग रहता है ना हमारा, मंथली प्लानिंग, वीकली प्लानिंग, एनुअल प्लानिंग, बाय मंथली, क्वार्टरली, जो भी कुछ है वो, isn't it? So there should be some planning authority. Then specific objectives. You lay down the objectives. हमारे ऑर्गेनाइजेशन में, हमारे छोटा से भी, देयर यू मस्ट हैव योर सिंगल पर्सन कंपनी विथ लिमिटेड लाइबिलिटी. नाउ देयर इज वन फैसिलिटी. You can start your own company with limited liability. Earlier the facility was not there, but the bill is passed. Single or one person company with limited liability. आप ये डायरेक्शन में थोड़ा शुरू करो, थोड़ा थिंकिंग शुरू करो. So you must have the specific objectives. Then fixation of targets and priorities. What is your target? Here, where you would like to go? आपका टारगेट क्या है और प्रायोरिटीज क्या है. डिसाइड द प्रायोरिटीज. पहले कौन सा करना है काम, उसके बाद में कौन सा करना है, उसके बाद में कौन सा करना है. Isn't it? So you have to decide the priorities. Then reliable statistical data. For planning, you should have a reliable statistical data with you. You must have undergone some projects as a यूनिवर्सिटी फॉर्मेलिटी, योर कॉलेज फॉर्मेलिटी. आप लोगों ने कई प्रोजेक्ट्स तैयार किए होंगे ऑन सम डिफरेंट टॉपिक्स ऑफ इंपॉर्टेंस. सो उसमें आपने स्टेटिस्टिकल डेटा कलेक्ट किया होगा. इट मस्ट बी रिलायबल. रिलायबल वर्ड इज ऑलवेज इंपॉर्टेंट फॉर स्टूडेंट लाइफ. ऑलवेज. कोई भी शब्द अगर आता है तो उसके पहले प्रीफिक्स जोड़ दो, रिलायबल. देन फोरकास्टिंग. I have talked on forecasting. Forecasting is the essential condition for planning, isn't it? या प्लानिंग करने की जो पहली स्टेप है वो फोरकास्टिंग से शुरू होती है. एंड you have to mobilize the resources. Mobilization means allotment. कभी कभी किताब में ऐसे शब्द रहते हैं जो कंफ्यूज कर डालते. सो उसका आप सिनोनिम्स लिख दिया करो. Isn't it understandable for me? You have to distribute the resources wherever it is required. Okay. Next part here is steps in planning process. See, everything is given in the book. मैं जो बता रहा हूं ये किताब में है, ये गूगल में है. मैं सिर्फ कुछ एग्जांपल देके आपके अंदर का स्पार्क निकालना चाहता हूं. See, I would like to tell one example for planning. प्लानिंग के लिए क्या चाहिए? There should be a clear-cut thought in your mind. प्लानिंग की शुरुआत होती है क्लियर कट थॉट से. अदरवाइज एवरीथिंग इज गिवन इन द बुक. आई एम नॉट डूइंग एनीथिंग न्यू. ये कुछ चीजें मैं थोड़ी सी आपको बताना चाहता हूं. देयर शुड बी ए क्लियर कट थॉट इन योर माइंड. आई वुड लाइक टू साइट द इंटरेस्टिंग एग्जाम्पल. अब इंटरेस्टिंग एग्जाम्पल मैं आपको देना चाहता हूं. Amazon का एग्जाम्पल है. एक 94-95 में बनी हुई कंपनी, ज्यादा तो पुरानी है नहीं. दे हैव स्टार्टेड फ्रॉम बुक सेलिंग. एक बुक सेलर करके Amazon सामने आई और उनके जो चेयरमैन थे, जो सीईओ थे, जो डायरेक्टर थे, जो फाउंडर थे, उनके मन में एक ख्याल आया, व्हाई शुड पीपल कम टू मी फॉर परचेसिंग द बुक्स. उन्होंने क्यों आना चाहिए, कस्टमर ने क्यों आना चाहिए मेरे पास. आई शुड गो टू कस्टमर्स. वो किताब उनको वहीं पे मिलनी चाहिए. एंड देयरफॉर द ऑनलाइन कंसेप्ट स्टार्ट्स. नाउ Amazon is one of the biggest company, isn't it? It is in electronics, it is in IT, it is in e-commerce. You can get anything on Amazon. आपके घर के पास अगर मेरे ख्याल से हेलीपैड होगा ना, तो शायद वो भी सोचेंगे कि हेलीकॉप्टर आपके घर पे भेज देते, अगर आपके पास में प्रोविजन है तो. यानी Amazon का ये थिंकिंग है, इसलिए बहुत ही वास्ट हो गया. इट इज नंबर 1. अलीबाबा वगैरह आया है तो पीछे पीछे अलीबाबा चल रहा है, isn't it? But Amazon is number 1. Even I have to purchase a pen drive. पेन ड्राइव भी अगर मुझे परचेस करना है तो मैं Amazon से बुला लेता हूँ, isn't it? So it is one of the coveted organization now, supplying you whatever you require, any type of goods or services, it is online. वो आपको मिल जाएगा पूरा. So there was a clear cut thought in the mind of the founder of Amazon. अमेजॉन का फाउंडर अगर किताब पढ़ता ना, स्टेप्स इन प्लानिंग प्रोसेस, एलिमेंट्स ऑफ प्लानिंग, तो शायद नहीं कर पाते। एक थॉट उनके मन में आया एंड ही स्टार्ट थिंकिंग ऑन दिस डायरेक्शन एंड ही प्रिपेयर्ड ए प्रोग्राम ऑफ एक्शन। उन्होंने ये बॉक्स नहीं देखे होंगे कि किताब में कौन सी बॉक्स है, पहली स्टेप, दूसरी स्टेप, तीसरी स्टेप, चौथी स्टेप। ही मस्ट हैव प्रिपेयर्ड द बॉक्सेस विथ हिम एज पर एज हिज नॉलेज एंड एक्सपीरियंस, कि पहली स्टेप, दूसरी स्टेप, तीसरी स्टेप, isn't it? We can learn so many things from such type of experiences, from such type of success stories, how they have gone for this particular sort of planning, isn't it? So see, the first step in planning is the perception of opportunities. अपॉर्चुनिटीज का परसेप्शन क्या है आपके माइंड में, आपका उसके बारे में फोरकास्टिंग क्या है। देन यू हैव टू एस्टैब्लिश द ऑब्जेक्टिव्स। सी, these are not the recommended steps given in the books. You can have your own steps, isn't it? There are 7 steps, some has given 5, 6 steps like that. These are the recommended stages. Perception of objective or forecasting is first step. Then establish goals and objectives. Then identify alternatives. This is the most important part. आपको अल्टरनेटिव्स आइडेंटिफाई करना है। व्हाट अल्टरनेटिव्स आर अवेलेबल विथ यू। आपको अपने घर से अगर कॉलेज जाना है, कौन कौन से रास्ते आपके लिए है, शॉर्टेस्ट कौन सा है। इफ द रोड इज शॉर्टेस्ट अगर है तो क्या उसमें कुछ हसल बसल है, क्या उसमें कुछ प्रॉब्लम्स है, कहीं कंस्ट्रक्शन वर्क चल रहा है, यू विल नॉट प्रीफर दैट। सो अल्टरनेटिव शुड ऑलवेज बी देयर विथ यू एंड देयर शुड बी मोर अल्टरनेटिव्स। जितने ज्यादा अल्टरनेटिव्स हैं उतना आप अच्छे से प्लानिंग कर पाते हो, बिकॉज एंड यू हैव टू सिलेक्ट द बेस्ट अल्टरनेटिव्स। आपको बेस्ट अल्टरनेटिव सिलेक्ट करना है। एंड देन एस्टैब्लिशिंग सीक्वेंस ऑफ एक्टिविटीज, दैट इज शेड्यूलिंग। यू हैव सिलेक्टेड द बेस्ट अल्टरनेटिव, नाउ लेट अस हैव टाइम फ्रेम। जो भी लिस्ट आपने तैयार किया है, जो भी सीक्वेंस आपने बनाया है, यू आर गोइंग टू गो थ्रू and achieving objective to add time frame in that. 1 महीने में होगा, 1 6 महीने में होगा, 1 साल में होगा, 4 घंटे रिक्वायर। आपको मालूम है रिलायंस का रिकॉर्ड्स पे 11 मंथ में कंप्लीट हुआ था।
Kadu sir, you are
Kadu sir,
mute.
कड़ू सर प्लीज अनम्यूट योरसेल्फ। सर आप म्यूट है।
Is it okay now?
यस सर।
Yes, yes.
Okay. So these are the steps in planning process. Friends, I will hurriedly go through because the time is running out. Elements of planning: objectives, forecasting, policies, procedure, rules, program, budgets, and projects. These are the elements of planning. Now, what is the characteristics of planning? इसकी क्या विशेषताएं है, इसका नेचर क्या है? इट इज इंटेलेक्चुअल प्रोसेस। कोई भी आदमी नहीं कर सकता इसको। इसके लिए आपको अच्छा मैनेजमेंट की डिग्री, डिप्लोमा लेना पड़ेगा, पीजी लेना पड़ेगा, इसमें हायर एजुकेशन में जाना पड़ेगा, ताकि आप अच्छे से प्लानिंग कर सके। बिकॉज इट इज इंटेलेक्चुअल प्रोसेस, इट इज गोल ओरिएंटेड, इट इज अ प्राइमरी फंक्शन ऑफ मैनेजमेंट, इट इज परवेसिवनेस, मीन्स हैविंग ए वास्ट स्कोप, continuity is there, uniformity is there, flexibility should be maintained as far as possible. जनरली इसका एक लिमिटेशन है कि प्लानिंग इज रिजिड। ये किताब में लिखा है ना, कि हमने प्लानिंग किया ना वैसे ही चले, हमने लिखा था ना कि इससे चलना है, भलाई व्यवस्था अच्छा नहीं होगा फिर चलेंगे, ये थोड़ी रिजिडिटी प्लानिंग रहती है। बट ट्राई टू मेक इट एज फ्लेक्सिबल एज पॉसिबल। सिंप्लिसिटी, Simplicity is one of the very important principles of management. Simplicity. All must understand it. आपके ऑर्गेनाइजेशन में जितने भी लोग हैं वो सबको समझना चाहिए कि क्या है. Then feasibility. It must be feasible. You have planned it, isn't it? But it is difficult not to practice it. So it should be very feasible. Then choice among alternative courses. Then it must be efficient. Efficient चाहिए. Interdependency share should be there because there are different departments. Interdependency and then proper forecasting. So this is all about, I think time is running out. It's 20:24. So I stop here and now the session is open for question and answers. Question and answer, please.
Thank you, sir, for your enriching words. And
Okay.
yes, before doing any
Okay.
planning, we have to forecast so that we can do our planning in a fruitful manner. So thank you so much, sir. There are some questions in chat box.
Okay.
So first question
You please
is
spell it
that,
out. You spell it out.
Yes. As you one student, Sakshi Chauhan, asked that, as you have told us about alternatives of plants. So my question is that on what criteria we have to choose the best alternative, because sometimes all look same. So how to choose the best one?
See, you have say 3 alternatives. 2 alternatives, 3 alternatives, isn't it? Take example 3 alternatives. Which one alternative will add more efficiency in you? Efficiency in all respect. It will not be more costly. It will consume your time, isn't it? It will not means time. You are avoiding more time, doing it in a very less span of time, isn't it? And it will add in your efficiency. So this is the basic criteria. जिसमें आपकी efficiency बढ़ती है, आपका समय बचता है, आपकी cost बचती है, isn't it? That way you have to go. That alternative you have to select. Next question.
Any more questions, students? You can write in chat box. If any students have question, they may raise hand also and directly ask question to sir.
Kind of better to ask directly.
Yes, Ekansh, you can ask directly.
Good morning, respected all the dignitaries. So my question is that
Yes.
In what sense, as you tell about the planning, so can you please elaborate this statement that where the human resources move, the planning requires more, and where the human resources move, the management also requires more. Is it this statement is correct, sir?
See, there must. See, you have to see human resource development.
Yeah.
You see, HRD, isn't it? Human resource development. Ultimately, all our efforts are developing the human resources. At the same time, you have to utilize the human resources judiciously, isn't it? So as to utilize the human resources judiciously, you have to go through their efficiency. Because you see, if I am in my organization from 11 to 5, you need my efficiency. Suppose you are my owner, you need my efficiency, not my time. आपको मेरा समय चाहिए कि मेरे से efficiency चाहिए. आप efficiency मेरे से demand करोगे, isn't it? So how can you get my efficiency so that work can be done well, with more interest, with more quality, with more productivity, and this way you have to do the scheduling, isn't it? So human resources is one of the important part. You have to mobilize them properly. जो भी आपके organizations में उसको mobilize करो. For example, say there is a term merit rating and job description. I do not want to go in detail, but there should be a matching of the job with the man. आदमी और job इसको आप अच्छे से matching करो, और ये matching करते वक्त you allot the time frame to that. That will be a good plan. Next, please.
Sir, one more question. Sir,
Okay.
In your thinking, what would be the worst planning and what would be the best planning in a business entrepreneurship?
If you can achieve your goal in a short span of time, that is a good planning. If it is difficult to achieve the goal, isn't it? Don't think of worst planning. Think positively. We have to think positively. See, a target is there. हमको अगर लड़ाई अगर लड़ना है तो हमारे कम सोल्जर काम में आएंगे. इन वेरी लेस लाइक 0 deaths you do in the war, isn't it? So that should be the best doing. जैसे वार के टाइम में हम प्लानिंग करते हैं. I will try to give you example of Shivaji Maharaj. He has carved the Marathi kingdom in our Maharashtra, isn't it? He was the best organizer, best manager, the best administrator. You cannot be best administrator, manager, and organizer unless and until you are best in planning. So that is required.
Sir,
Any more questions, please?
Yes, sir, one more. It's mine
Okay.
only. Sorry for disturbing, but it's mine. Sir, can we come?
No, please.
Sir, investment
okay.
banking is also a very good work to do. So, as you are saying that it is not, if we are planning for a long time, so it can be give us more results. So, can
Yes.
planning and investment banking and forecasting work as a good with us? Is it?
Yes, you see, whatever we think good for us, we have to go for. You see, without forecasting, we cannot go for planning. And forecasting is always for long term. आप ऐसा कल का नहीं सोचते, परसों का नहीं सोचते. Forecasting is always long term. जितना long term का आप लोग सोच सकते हैं, उतना आपको results मिलेंगे, isn't it? So it is a very good thing. So long term planning is required, but why only long term? Let us have a short term, let us have medium term and long term. You keep both three alternatives with you. ये आपके पास में चाहिए, because you see, if you are an entrepreneur, you have employed your hard-earned money, so you have to go for short term for 1 year, say medium term 2 to 3 years, and 3 years onwards it is a long term. So you should have all three types of planning with you, and forecasting is must for that. And forecasting is a mental work. It is an experience work. You can get help of some experienced people. They can tell you. So there are these people, these consultants and like that, they can very nicely forecast as far as this banking and banking sector is concerned.
Okay, sir. Thank you, sir.
Thank you. Any more question, please?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir. Yes.
Very good morning,
Yes.
sir. Sir, first of all, thank you so much for such an engaging discussion. Yashri Dubey this side, sir. Sir, as in your address, you mentioned that controlling would be the last step. So my question is, why does this controlling still have a negative connotation? Why does people don't take it really positively? What are your views about it, sir?
See, controlling is one of the important functions of management. Planning is one part of management. Management is a very big term. It has got a very vast scope. So without control, you cannot do that. A teacher in the class, 60 students, not obeying, not listening, isn't it? Generally, they used to pat up the duster on the table, isn't it? Arey, duster डालते हैं ना table पे. अरे रुको. There is one particular was in the hands of the justice order. It is a sort of control. So there are different techniques of control, isn't it? See, we do not have a laissez-faire management. Sometimes democracy does not work. So that control is required. You use it or don't use it, isn't it? But controlling is a must. Because you see, controlling does not mean that giving punishment like that. Controlling should be a motivative part. Motivation should be there in the controlling. I am not talking about this controlling means giving, making transfer or giving punishment or decreasing the payment like that, isn't it?
Yeah.
Like that.
Yeah.
It should be it should be for motivation.
Okay.
The motivation part is should always must get attached with controlling.
Yeah, so participative controlling would be great for
Yes,
students.
yes.
Yeah, okay, thank you so much, sir. Very well explained.
So one more question for students side. Sometimes planning turns to failure due to some calamity like COVID-19. In such situation, what can we do at that time?
See, it is something like contingency planning. We have a contingency fund. If something wrong happens, earthquake, isn't it? Then any other natural calamity, government have this calamity fund like that. But if you should be ready for that on war footing, that this thing may happen. See, earlier it was a swine flu. We have taken action on that. So it was a new thing for us. So this is a contingency planning. You should have that fund with you, contingency fund. And if a forecasting is there, isn't it? That this thing may happen in future. See, there may be attack of some next another virus on us. So we should be ready to face it. This is a contingency planning. It should be done.
Thank you, sir. I think now no more questions from student side. So thank you so much, sir.
Thank you. Thank you very much.
Now a small gratitude from our entire Wishes School of Management in a form of certificate which shows our love and gratitude to you, sir. So I kindly request Professor Robin Nima to kindly share this screen and this certificate.
Okay, thank you for this. Thank you very much
This is
for a great
token of love
certificate.
from entire Wishes School. Thank you, sir.
Thanks to Dr. Anas
now
sir
I
and
would
thanks
like
to the
to-
honorable management from my side. Isn't it? I visited your institution thrice. आपकी विशिष्ट
Yes, sir, yes,
स्कूल
sir.
को मैंने 3 बार विजिट दिया था. Isn't it? I
Yes.
fall in love with your
Yes, sir.
institution. विशिष्ट के साथ तो मैं जुड़ गया हूँ अभी. I fall in love with your institution. Thank you.
Thank you. Now I would like to invite Professor Priyanka Sharma to propose vote of thanks. Please, ma'am.
Audible, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
A graceful and warm morning to all gathered over here. I am Professor Priyanka Sharma on behalf of Wishes School of Management and the entire fraternity of college. First of all, extend my most sincere thanks to our guest Dr. K.S. Kari for gracing today's program. Thank you, sir, for your thought-provoking and interesting address. I would like to thank our Managing Director, Dr. Naveen Narang, and Director, Dr. S.M. Anas Iqbal, for motivation and support. Last but not least, I would like to thank all the students for their remarkable presence. Thank you.
Thank you very much from my
Thank
side.
you.
Okay.
Thank you,
Thank you,
sir.
sir.
Okay. See you next time. See you next time all. Thank you.